Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this reverse ombre cut crease. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm just patting it directly all over my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out with a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to pat it in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. So for the eyeshadow, I am using my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just showing you what it looks like. Now I'm taking this green and the yellow mixed together with this fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I am packing this directly onto my lid. Here I'm taking this white shade and I am putting this right on the outer edge of the green to kind of give it a nice diffused look. Now I'm taking this blue and I'm doing the exact same thing that I did with the green shade. Now to form the cut crease, I'm taking these two pink shades and I'm going at an angle right on the outer edge of my eye, and then I'm going to connect it to that blue, giving it a nice wing shape. Now to blend the blue and the pink together, I'm taking those two purple shades and I'm putting that directly in the center and kind of diffusing it into both shadows. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and going over the shadows to make sure everything is blended together. Now I'm just taking my Morphe concealer to cut my crease, and I'm using a flat concealer brush and creating my connecting points. That way it makes it easier for me to connect all of it together. When it comes to creating your cut crease, you want to make sure you take your time. That way you don't mess up or make any unwanted lines. Also, to create my wing portion of my cut crease, I like to use my bent eyeliner brush because I feel like it works best to creating the wing shape. And here I'm just patting the concealer down and making sure everything's nice and smooth. So now I'm doing the same thing that I did to my outer portion of my eye, and I am packing the colors in the order that they came in, just backwards. So it's green, then blue, and then the purple, and then the pink. Moving on to my waterline, I'm just concealing underneath my eye, and now I'm taking my NYX Jumbo pencil in Black Bean and applying this directly onto my waterline, and I'm going to set it with the black eyeshadow, and then afterwards I'm going to do the exact same shades that I did on my eye, but I'm connecting it, so I'm going pink, then purple, then blue, and then green in the inner corner of the front of my eye. Next, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm putting this directly in the inner corner, and I'm going to pack some glitter directly on top of that. For eyeliner, I'm using my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm just very lightly going over my lash line. Now for foundation, I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I'm applying this all over my face, and I'm blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal concealer and I'm putting this all over my face and blending it out with that same sponge. To set my concealer, I'm using my Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, which is my absolute favorite. Now for contour, I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion, and I'm mixing those two shades together and I'm applying it all over my face where I contour. The highlighter that I'm using is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in the color Champagne, and this is one of my favorite ones for the summertime. For lips, I'm using my MAC lip liner in the shade Cork, and I am topping it with my Buxom lip gloss in the shade Cassandra. Here is the finished look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.